Atkins Civil 3D video series, Base 2, Layers and Colors. This video illustrates A. Atkins layer color system and B. Atkins layer name system. Each object in Civil 3D has a base layer on which the object resides and a component layer for the various components of the object. The layers are initially set by the default setting styles for the object at the time it is created. Settings, right-click Alignment, Edit Feature Settings, Default Styles, pick an alignment style. Pick the icon next to the alignment. The Display tab shows various components of the object, the layer for each of the components, and the color and line type. It is generally best to use by layer for the color and line type, which is also used in the line width and plot style of an object. The settings for each component in a specific object style may be modified at any time prior to or after the object is created, including the display of the various components for that object. Use Apply to incorporate a change into a current object. Apply. OK. Atkins, frustrated with the large number and complexity of current layer naming systems, has developed a set of layer names for use on construction drawings which are simple and easy to use. LA. Enter to open Layer Manager. The majority of Atkins layer names are displayed in the Layer Manager. A layer name generally consists of 3 or more parts. First part being the general category, second part object category, third part object part. An example, C-road-curb. The names used in the general category include C-, which are improvement categories for objects that are proposed to be constructed and shown in the plotted drawing. This also conforms to the architectural standard of using C for civil drawings. Objects that are not to be plotted will have dash-frees at the end of the name. C3D is a non-improvement category for objects created by Civil 3D and generally not plotted. EX- is for the improvement categories for objects that are existing and are shown on the drawing. The names used in the object category for the improvement category C and EX are shown and include general, road, railroad, site, storm, sewer, surf, survey, water, and utility. The names used in the object category for the improvement category C3D are shown and include align, corridor, profile view, sample, section, hydro, surface, and survey. The object part name for the improvement category C and EX are shown and include centerline, curb, driveway, sidewalk, profile, pipe, manhole, inlet, text, etc. Atkins has developed a method for setting the color to correspond to a specific line width and screening or ghosting when an object is plotted, which are presently shown on the screen for 24 by 36 and 11 by 17 inch sheets. The corresponding .ctb plot files are included in the tutorial drawings. The numbers in a units column determine the width of a plotted line, with 0 being the thinnest and 9 the thickest. The number in the tens column determine whether a line is plotted as a solid or screen. An even number, such as 42, 123, etc., will be plotted as a solid, and an odd number, such as 53, 132, etc., will be plotted as a screen line. The percent of solid when using the screening option depends on the thickness of a line. The suggested screening value percent of solid for various line width are shown. A list of the recommended source and client drawing layer names and their associated color and line types for Civil 3D General Category C and EX for road improvements are shown. The source drawing is a drawing in which the object is created. It is the improvement drawing for that object. The client drawing is a drawing in which the object is referenced into. The object needs to be bold in the source drawing, but subdued or ghosted in the client drawing. Recommended layer names for storm improvements. Recommended layer names for sewer improvements. Recommended layer names for water improvement. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.